Hi guys, welcome to G3 Plus Fashion with me Aarti, and today's video is how you can style kurtis in different ways, specifically black kurtis in different way by mix and match. So the products you will be seeing here are available on our website g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to never miss style videos from us. So guys, this is the first look where you can style a kurti which is in any basic color, like we're going to use the blacks which is worn on the jeans, and the kurtis that you can see she's wearing right now is in a two-piece look which you can also try, or you can always wear something which is an A-line kurti or even a straight paneled kurti. Other look is to get your kurti into a different look like a salwar suit. All you have to do is opt for a straight cut kurti like we have over here, and pair it with a chudidar or a leggings, and always pair a very contrasting dupatta over it to get this vibrant look. Alright, our next look is something which is a very formal look, and you can do this by pairing up a nice black kurti with a contrast color of a palazzo, whether it's black, it's red, or it's even blue. And all you have to do is also match up a nice scarf which goes with it, and this is perfect for your formal or office wear, and also a casual party. You can never go wrong when you're investing in a black plain shirt style of a kurti, and this is how you can get an Indo-Western look. All we've done is pair it with a silk lehenga, or you can even try a different lehenga, and also pair on a dupatta or even a scarf dupatta like we have to give it an Indo-Western look for parties. Alright, and our final look is wearing a kurti which is in a black color that you can see here like a dress, and this one is a long kurti in an A-line look. So this is like a maxi dress, and all we've done is given her a shrug to pair it up to give it a more of a hype for a fashion statement. You can also choose to wear a knee-length kurti or a shirt kurta as a short dress. This was how you can wear a kurti in different style, and we've shown you 5 ways to do this. If you're interested to shop the collection that you just saw, visit our website g3fashion.com, or you can also use G3 Plus video shopping service. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.